Okay, just to continue working on this assignment, so chapter 13, we reached the point, step 8, to calculate, create like a calculations using the Power Pivot tool. Okay, so for just to calculate the sum, but with calculating the sum and the total and all of that, we also compare. So only total, like calculate all the 2023 profits in this field. Okay, so for column ID, the same with for multiple other columns that we will use for the product ID. So let's just do this in here. We start with before we start with the equal sum, I'm going to kind of give it a name. So the field, create a field name. So this one is the 2023 profit. Okay. And the calculation. I'm going to start with using the calculate function. The expression here is going to be the sum of the profit of the transaction field. So profit, okay, close it, and we got the sum of, and then now we're going to compare the year. So we're going to pull the year out of the field. So it's another function here, year of transaction date. Okay, the year. We'll pull the year from the transaction date. Let's see, it's the transaction, yeah. Pull that transaction. And the pull table transaction. The field is the transaction date. So just gonna select this field. So we're gonna compare the date here. If it's equal 2023. Okay, and close the parentheses. Again, to calculate the sum of the profit, and only for the 2023. Okay, transactions. Okay. This will give us a new field here, right there. Okay. We do the same calculation to calculate the profit of 2024. Okay. Pretty much the same, but it's a 2024. 2024 profit. That's use exactly. And we calculate the sum of the profit and year. I'm going to select the year from the transaction date equals 2024. Okay, so to show the 2024 profit. Okay, so that's gonna be a new value, new field. Okay, one more, actually three more. We calculate the sum of revenue, the sum of let's see, the revenue, cost, and profit. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So what's the revenue? It will call it we're gonna call it the sum of, make sure I click on the right, just click on this, the sum of revenue and the sum of revenue oops, sorry, just a second, is called the function of the sum of the revenue here, and close the parentheses. Another calculation, the sum of costs sum of costs make sure that and the same for the sum of profits. So we got the step 8 here, we got the calculation here, the sum of and the total profit for each year, and the sum of revenue, sum of costs, and sum of profit. Okay.